Do your thing. How's some advertising? Don't cover the.
I am not.
All right.
You want me to
We'll say we're gonna go film the Ponta Garça. Caranguejo. Push. Epa, estás carregado. All right, guys. Take two.
We are going to the beach at Ponta Garça.
Num dia de chuva,
Num
não
dia de chuva.
é? Mas isso o que é em cima? Isso é a galinha. Ai. Whatever that is. Parece uma galinha francesa. Alright guys, let's do this. Iran, casa van Iran. Yalla. Oh, je neemt telefoon. Paga. Paga nala. Se fosse para nala já. I haven't seen the screen like this. It's so nice. It looks nice. I like the style. This style looks nice. Vai chamar esse vídeo Ponta Garça debaixo de chuva. Vocês vão para o YouTube agora, já veio amigo, ah? Força! Ah, yes sir. sigan aqui, o sigan. Nice. My brother. Just like my brother. It's not like how I say it. Don't steal my line. I said, look, your brother. Look at these houses. Check it out.
Like this.
Very nice. Ah, você foi escola o que é?
So cute.
Look at this. My house. Look at this. I like this. I like this. I would not touch one thing in the house. Keep it all natural like that. This one is in the same idea. It just needs to be clean. That's all of it. Day to record this, huh? Olha, Sandra, como as meninas de antigamente. Já viste? As viúvas.
I'm like a hit in the eyes.
You act like it's raining so much. It's not even raining that much.
It's not, but it's that rain.
This is gorgeous. Let's check this out. You were all worried. Look a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah.
It's coming up nice, really nice. I told you. Don't worry about it.
Just swim at your own risk.
Oh, yeah. Hey, let me get this view over here. All right, let me turn around. You're the one that was acting like it was raining.
Well, it was raining over there.
I quero ver o que é que vais comer. I brought you nice sandwiches and all that. Agora.
Just for trás.
Pronto, tá bom. There you go.
Nada.
Telling Sandra that going down this trail is really nice. Agora, here, coming up, I don't want to hear it. They say it's a half hour going down. So coming up, it's gonna take an hour.
Private beach.
There's the private beach right there. We can get a little peek at it. Look at this. Amazing how this beach is just hiding, huh?
Yeah. There's nobody there.
So it looks like we've made it halfway.
Yeah.
So we still have to go. All right, let's do it.
Oh, okay.
All right, so this is.
We're gonna swim
That's a close call right here.
Oh, they have a little bit.
Hey girl, hello. We gotta come down here, girl. Yeah, we're at a private beach. You don't want to be that guy. Now we came all the way down here and we didn't go for a swim. You know what I mean?
Exactly. I'm going for a swim. It's hot.
All right, we found a house here. There it is. One. Wow, that must have been a beautiful house back in the day.
I know.
All right, so the beach is right down there. We're gonna... Ready for this?
Ready.
Let's go try this water, see how it is.
Exactly.
All right. We did, all right?
Yes, we did.
We just got our heads wet ahead.
Made it seem like we were in the water.
No, we went in. It was good.
It was good. And it was nice to see like the
The upper view.
yeah. And there's a beautiful house you pointed out over there. So gorgeous.
Very nice.
It was worth the walk down. God willing, we'll have the strength to walk back.
Come on. Stop complaining.
I'm not complaining. I'm
It's
just
your
saying.
workout for the day.
You see, Snoop, Tabu, Tama.
So it was very nice, nah?
It was.
We did it. Nice dive.
It was a nice experience.
Sandra's got a new staff.
I feel like those shepherds.
There you go. You ready for this?
Yeah, yes.
Oh boy. Here he
I
comes.
thought the other one was bad.
There it is. There we go. Welcome Sash Cantigas agora. Come on, girl. Come on, you can do it.
By the end of the strip, I'll be a pro at hiking.
There it is. Come on, we can do this. We're just starting. Come on, honey. A Catarina diz que ela faz isso como nada fosse.
Acredito, tu viste o tamanho da Catarina comparado comigo também.
Catarina, she's 90 pounds, no?
Soaking wet.
Yeah. Soaking wet, she's 90 pounds. Come on, we can do this. We're getting there, honey. We're getting there. Oh, I think we did it, honey. Okay, this is where the sign is. There's a sign here, guys, that says, do not climb. Oh, right there.
Yeah.
There's the sign right there. Look, let me see. Hopefully you guys can see it. Right there. It says, do not cross.
Close.
From here on. You walk on your own risk. But we did it. We did it, guys.
God protected us, praise God.
There you go.
Thank you, Lord.
So the day turned out to be beautiful, huh?
Yes. Já está chovendo.
Very nice.
Mas vou, graças a Deus que choveu ontem e hoje quase não estava escorregando o caminho.
Yes.
Quase estava lagado.
Yes.
So it was easy
There it
for us
is.
to go down.
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
We're blessed.
Ponta Garça Beach. All right. We're gonna go film the Ponta Garça. O que é, Carlinhos? Dispara! Num dia de chuva, não é? É a linha francesa. All right, guys.